Sometimes when I need to take a step back and think, I like to listen to the sound of waves on the beach, crashing in their beautiful simplicity. As quickly as they come, they go, receding back into that vast ocean from which they arrived. They were an instant, lightning in a bottle, this gentle reminder that all we have is right now. Sure, there's a future, but that's just a right now that hasn't arrived yet. And maybe there's a past, but isn't that just a right now come and gone? We're a collection of these singular moments in time, a product of the stars aligning, the universe conspiring to put us right here, right now. And the truth is, we can come back to the location, we can even attempt to recreate it, but it will never be what it was in that moment. Because every moment is different than the one that precedes it, and every breath takes in something new, and every glance sees just a little differently. Every second is the first, the last, and the only. Like waves pulsating through our veins for the very first time. Why not soak in the warmth of the sunrise? Lose yourself in the depths of worlds undiscovered. Why not chase down that spot where the road meets the horizon? Taste the sweetness in every sip. Dance under the glow of the moon. Laugh like nothing else matters. Why not cherish right now, this moment in time? So when the tide reaches down and calls for its inevitable retreat, only the magic will remain.